Hi, a very good morning, children. Happy morning, all of you. Happy Friday. Okay, in the previous class, we have studied about the lesson animals around us. About domestic animal, wild animals, insects. Insects are the small animal that have six legs and two pair of wings, right? Yes. About birds, some of the birds, about some of the water animals, reptiles means crawling animals. About these animals we have studied in the previous classes and also have given some of the hard words to learn and write. I hope you all have learned. Okay, in this session I am going to give you the notes regarding the lesson animals around us. Please open your EVS classwork. Subject EVS. Topic about which topic you were learning, children? We will learn about the topic animals around us, right? Yes. Animals around us. Houses of animals also we have studied in the previous class, where the animal pig lives in a pen, right? Horse lives in a stable, cow lives in a shed, then cat lives in a cage, dog lives in a kennel, then buffalo lives in a shed, honeybee lives in a hive, then birds lives in a nest, then cheetah lives in a savannas, then lion tiger lives in a den, bear lives in a cave. Then children, anything else? Tell me, children, anything else? Okay, donkey lives in a barn, kept in a barn, right? Snakes lives in a hole, ant, snakes, rats lives in a hole, rabbit lives in a burrows. These are the informations I have taught you about this lesson animals around us, right? Yes, class. First standard. Yes. Now, I am going to give you the notes regarding the topic animals around us. Children, have prepared one main, that is fill in the blanks. Okay, with the help of this picture. They have given in the page number 1, they have given one village picture. Based on this picture, I have prepared fill in the blanks questions. Okay, the first question. Dash is bathing in a pond. There is a one pond. Where is the pond? Here, right? There is a one pond. Which animal is bathing, children? Buffalo, right? Yes, that is the answer. Buffalo is bathing in a pond. Dash and dash are swimming in the pool. Dash and dash. There are some animals, water animals are swimming in the pond, right? Yes. What are those? Fish and tortoise are the answer. There are 4 dash near the hut. There is a one hut. There are 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 hens are there. Okay. A dash is pulling a tonga. There is a one tonga. They have given one tonga picture. They have given. Which animal is pulling a tonga? Horse, right? Yes, we have to write the answer. Horse is the answer. A woman is milking a dash. Woman is collecting the milk from the cow. Cow is the answer. And dash is flying in the sky. One bird is flying in the sky. Which bird is this? Eagle. An eagle is flying in the sky. Next. Okay, these are the 6 questions I have prepared with the help of this picture. Village picture. Shall we write the fill in the blanks questions one by one? Are you all ready? I hope. Okay. The first main, that is fill in the blanks. FILL fill, IN in, TH the, BLANKS blanks. Okay, the first question. A dash is bathing. Dash is bathing in a pond. BATHING, bathing in a pond. POND, pond. Which animal is bathing in a pond? Which animal I told children? Look at the picture and say the answer. Which animal? Open your textbook, EVS textbook, page number 1. They have given one village picture, right? Yes, worksheet, right? Yes. With the help of worksheet, you have to say the answer. You should say the answer, children. I have prepared the question and answers. Fill in the blanks questions based on this picture. You have to say the answer. According to this picture, you have to say the answer. Which animal is bathing in pond? Buffalo. Okay, write down the answer. Buffalo. BUFFALO. Buffalo is a wild animal or domestic animal? Buffalo is a domestic animal. It is a farm animal, domestic animal. Where buffalo lives, the buffaloes are kept in a shed. Kotige. Okay. The second one, dash and dash are swimming in the pond. Dash and dash, dash and dash are swimming. 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 Swimming in the pond. Look at the picture and say the answer. Dash and dash animals. Water animals. Yes, right. Some of the animals lives in the water. Some of the animals may live on both water and land. That is tortoise. Fish lives in water only, children. Without water, it will die. It can't live. Fish. And tortoise are swimming in the pond. You just look at the picture, children. TORTOISE. Tortoise. Fish and tortoise are swimming in the pond. Third one. Write down. Third one. There are 4 dash near the hut. There are THERE. There are dash. There are 4 dash FOUR 4 dash near the hut. Near the hut. HUT hut. Birds lay what? Eggs, right? ಅಕ್ಕಿಗಳು ಪಕ್ಷಿಗಳು ಮೊಟ್ಟೆಯನ್ನು ಇಡುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ. Okay. There are 4 dash near the hut. From where will get eggs, children? From which bird will get eggs? From hens, right? Yes. HENS. Hens. There are 4 hens near the hut. Look at the picture, children. There are 4 hens near the hut. ಗುಡಿಸಲಿನ ಹತ್ರ 4 ಕೋಳಿಗಳಿವೆ. Okay. Will get eggs from hens. Okay. Eggs from hens. 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 Near the hut. Okay, na? Okay. Write down soon. There are 4 hens near the hut. Fish and tortoise are swimming in the pond. These are water animals. Fish is the water animal. Octopus, fish, shark. These are the water animals. Tortoise is both land and water animal. It can live on land also, water also. Frog also, crocodile also. It's a water and both water and land animal. Buffalo is a domestic animal. It gives us milk. Okay, where the buffaloes are kept? Buffaloes are kept in a shed. Okay. There are 4 hens. Where hens are kept, children? Hens are kept in a coop. Okay. The young one of hens, that is chickens. Kolimari. Okay. Fine. Shall I erase? Still 3 questions I have prepared to erase. I hope all are done. Okay. First 2 question fill the blanks questions I am going to erase now. 4th one. A dash is pulling a tonga. A dash is pulling means ಎಳೆಯೋದು. Pulling a tonga. Jatka gadi. Tonga means jatka. Which animal pulling a tonga, children? Generally I am asking. Okay, generally I am asking this question. Which animal pulling a tonga? Which animal pulling a bullock cart? Bullocks, right? Yes. Bullock cart pulling the bullock cart. ಎತ್ತುಗಳು. And which animal pulling a tonga? That is horse, right? A horse. HORSE. A horse is pulling a tonga. Look at the picture and confirm the answer. Which animal is pulling a tonga? Horse, right? Yes, I have written the correct answer. A horse is pulling a tonga. H small h, right? HORSE. HORSE. Horse lives in a stable. Horse is also a domestic animal. Okay, next 5th one. A woman is milking a woman A woman is milking. M-I-L-K, milking, I-N-G, milking a dash. In the picture, woman is collecting the milk from which animal? From cow, right? So, the answer is cow. C-O-W, cow. A woman is milking a cow. She is collecting the milk from cow. Okay, cow is also a domestic animal. It gives us milk. Where does cow lives? Cow lives in a shed. Okay. Shall I erase third one? There are 4 hens near the hut. Sixth one. And dash is flying. F-L-Y-I-N-G, flying in the sky. S-K-Y, sky. One bird is flying in the picture, children, in the sky. See here, near the tree. Which bird that is? An eagle. E-A-G-L-E, an eagle. Haddu. An eagle is flying in the sky. Okay. These are the 6 fill in the blanks questions according to this picture I have prepared. Okay, I hope all you have understood. Okay. In the next session, I am going to give you the remaining notes of this lesson, animals around us. Until that, keep learning this fill in the blanks question and answers. Worksheets we have done, children, already. I hope you all have completed the worksheets. Okay. Sheep, crow, donkey, goat, hen, snake, sparrow, fish. Write down the names of the animals. Squirrel, S-Q-U-I-R-R-E-L, squirrel. Lizard, just climbing on the wall. Yes, lizard. Okay. Pig, the young one of pig. Piglet, Handi Mari. Horse, lives in a stable. Housefly, Nona. Monkey, just jump from one tree to another tree. Naughty monkey. Pigeon, Shantya Sanketa, symbol of peace, sign of peace. Peacock is a national bird. Rabbit lives in a burrows. Frog, it is also lives on land and water also, both water and land animal. Okay, I hope you all have done all these worksheets. Okay, color it with crayons. Don't use sketch pen to color these pictures. Okay, these are the 6 fill in the blanks questions I have prepared according to that picture what they have given in your textbook. I hope you all have understood. Keep learning, keep recalling until the next session. Thank you.